Good morning. Today we will talk about Caldas. It is a coffee region. Catalina and Joan will tell us about this beautiful area of the country.
Good morning. Caldas is a Colombian department currently in development. It belongs to the coffee region due to the beauty of its mountains and warmth. It is a habitat with a great diversity of flora and fauna and has protected areas such as Los Nevados and Selva de Florencia National Park.
Good morning. This department is made up of three geographical regions. The first includes the Western Mountain Range. The second goes from the Cauca River to the Central Mountain Range. And the third goes from the Central Mountain Range to the Magdalena River.
What damages have been caused by the inhabitants and what has been its environmental impact?
The human being has caused the following environmental problems: areas of urban expansion and country housing, causing waterproofing of soils in the municipalities of Viterbo, San Jose, Risaralda, and La Dorada. Monoculture of invasive and exotic species, soil degradation and desertification, paramerization of the high forest and then in some sectors.
The municipality of La Dorada are present urban planning process and dumping of solid and liquid waste to bodies of waters. The use of woods for levens in mining and extraction of non-timber forest space. Illegal logging and indiscriminate logging to hype translation to agriculture activities and illegal timber tracking fine.
What bad habits or practices carried out by the inhabitants affect the biodiversity of Caldas?
Hunting of various species in protected areas of environmental importance such and forests of Rio Blanco Forest Reserves. The constant burning of the soils to establish perennial crops on permanent such as grass affects wild feed, being particularly critical in the heights of department.
Productive systems, mainly livestock, that use these bodies of water as drinking tracts generate contamination and drying out by compaction. Agriculture by direct intervention in water bodies entails sedimentation processes, contamination by agrochemicals, which decrease the quality of the water.
Based on the diagnosis made, most of the environmental aspects of the regional caldas are associated with practice and behaviors on the rational use of resource, energy, paper, and stone.
After 12 years of working under a greening plan, which expired last year and the process was carried out to define the lines of work based on environmental factors that must be strengthened. Based on this, Caldas already has by decree a public policy of ecological environmental education for 10 years. That is for the period 2020-2030.